Another struggle we see when we're setting up our entities and our accounts for being able to make these submissions is dealing with very complicated global corporate structures. There's companies out there that have lots and lots and lots of business units all over the world. And do we want to manage that at the global corporate level or not? And that might be a different answer for every company. In this case, we have a holding company based in Germany, which is an EU member state. And they are holding a toy company that puts toys on the market in the EU, and they're based in Italy, also an EU member state. But they also have a business unit in the United States that produces sprinkler controllers that get placed on the market in the EU. They have a business unit in China placing wireless devices on the market in the EU. And they have a media equipment company that they also a business unit they also acquired in the United States, placing video and audio equipment on the market in the EU. So all this different entities are involved. To make this more confused, there's a lot of importers involved as well that have obligations to submit to the portal. So in the case of the sprinkler company and the wireless devices company, they're already placing product on the market using their own importers. However, the toy company has actually got business units of its own. It's got a video game business unit in the United States, and then it's got a business unit in Finland, which is an EU entity. And then we have the media company that has a video systems business unit in the United States and an audio systems business unit in the United Kingdom. Both of those are foreign countries, so those are submitting through importers. So yeah, there's a very complicated corporate structure. We have various entities here. We have importers, we have EU entities, we have non-EU entities, all needing to place product on the market, multiple importers involved. So my question to you is, who makes the SCIP submissions in this case? Who's going to own these? Is there going to be the holding company making all the submissions? Are they providing all the reference IDs to all the importers, to all of the business units? Are they allowing each business unit to handle this themselves? This is a question that's hard to answer. And it's something you have to be careful with, because once you set it up and you start making submissions, it's not too easy to break that apart. You're going to have to resubmit everything. So for example, the toy company, they go ahead and they sell the remote cars division to another company, but all their submissions were handled by the master holding company's entity. Now a new entity needs to be formed. All those submissions need to be resubmitted. They need to be canceled from the holding company. So if that's the kind of business model this company has, they don't want to follow that. They'll pick something else. So this is a problem because there is no one size fits all, and there really is no guidance out there on how to evaluate and apply this. So this is something that companies are struggling with, and they're hitting gridlock in some cases because they can't get past the step of analyzing their own structure.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensoft.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.